So hello guys, how are you guys? I think this is fine. So one of you guys have no one, but I just like that there's some games like Fish, Feed and Grow. So once upon a time that game was very high in quality. I'm like everyone, even the mobile players loved it, but no, because of physical things. Anyways, the okay, follow me. Fish, feed and grow. Here. You guys will see, oh my gosh, there's so much. But you have to install this game. Here. This game. You have to install it. I know it looks simple. Trust me guys. Trust me. 500k. If you look at it this. Frick. Let's look at its download. 1 million. Guys, don't play this game. Please believe me, if this game is actually good, very good. So to my opinion, play this game. Play this game guys. It's very good game. Hearthstone game's very good game. Very good game guys. Yeah, there's some problems because it's not that much updated, but this is the best game guys. And you can install this and this. Yeah, these two are the best games. Okay, bye guys.